Hello friends, today we will discuss about the मध्य प्रदेश CHO प्रीवियस ईयर पेपर। तो जो भी स्टूडेंट्स MP CHO की प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं उनके लिए सेशन इम्पोर्टेंट होने वाला है, क्योंकि इससे उन्हें MP CHO पेपर का लेवल पता चलेगा। जो भी तैयारी कर रहे हैं उन्हें इस पेपर में कैसे क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, किस लेवल के क्वेश्चंस आते हैं, उस लेवल का पता चलेगा। तो आइए वी विल स्टार्ट। द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज दैट which part of pancreas produce and secrete insulin? So right answer is that Iceland of Langerhans. Second question is that in high grade fever the body temperature is, right answer is 103 Fahrenheit to 107 Fahrenheit. Third question is which of the following is not an endocrine gland? Right answer is hypothalamus. Next question is when pulse rate is less than 60 beat per minute it is called. Right answer is bradycardia. Fifth question is decreased amount of oxygen in blood is known as. Right answer is hypoxemia. Hypoxemia. Next question is which of the following comprised of 7 bones? Right answer is cervical vertebra. Seventh, next question, how many lobes liver have? Right answer is 4. uh, Next question, collar bones is known as. Right answer is clavicle. Next question, which type of following cells are associated with clotting? Right answer is plat platelets. Next question, central nervous system is made up of. Right answer is spinal cord. 11th question, when was India declared polio free? Right answer is 2014. Next, what is the sex ratio in Madhya Pradesh? Right answer is 931. Next, what is life expectancy at birth in India? Right answer is answer is 69. For next, infant mortality rate in India. Right answer is 33. Next, what will be the approximate number of pregnant women in year in sub health center area with a population of 4800 and birth rate of 25? Right answer is 120 to 130. Next, which statement is not true? 16. Right answer is malaria is transmitted by Aedes aegypti mosquito. Next, incubation period is period between. Right answer is entry of organism and development of symptoms. Next, what is virulence? Uh, right answer is disease disease causing capacity of organism. Next, ability of pathogen to establish an infection is called. Right answer is infectivity. Next, agent, host and blanks make it a epidemiologic trait. And right answer is environment. Next, secondary prevention means. Right answer is none of them. Next, bronchial asthma is related to. Right answer is all of them. Next, restriction on the movement of people to prevent the spread disease is called. Right answer is quarantine. Next, hydrophobia is disease in which the patient. Uh, right answer is scared of the water. 25. All are water borne disease except. Right answer is tuberculosis. Next, how many NC checkup are minimum necessary? Right answer is 4. D. 27. All are the sign of high risk pregnancy except. Right answer is none of them. Next, what is the true about severe anemia? Severe anemia in pregnancies. Right answer is D. 1 IFA tablet daily. Next, eclampsia, eclampsia means. Right answer is uh, pre eclampsia and convulsions. Next, what is the true about gestational diabetes? Right answer is D. High blood sugar developed during pregnancy. 31. Next, menarche usually occur at the age of. The right answer is B. 11 to 30 years. Next, 32. First day of lady menstrual period was July 12, 2019. What is the estimated date of delivery? 32. D. April 90, 2020. Next, 33. A maternal death means death of pregnant woman. Right answer is C. From conception till 42 days of delivery. Next, the period of about 6 weeks after childbirth is known as 34. D. Answer none of this. Next, what is the labeled as severe anemia in pregnant women? 35. Right answer is C. Less than 7 gram per dl. Next, 36. A child is SAM if MUC is 36. Right answer is B. B less than 11.5 centimeter. Uh, question number 37. What is the ideal age for starting complementary feeding? 37. Right answer is B. 6 month. Next question, 38. um, scurvy is caused by deficiency of. 38. Right answer is D. Vitamin C. Next question, what is the neonatal period? 39. Right answer is D. 0 to 28 days. Next question, which disease is transmitted mainly by fecal-oral routes? 40. Right answer is C. Polio. Next, a 5-year-old having loose motions has adequate urine output and is playful. What should you do? 41. Right answer is A. Give ORS to drink. Next, diarrhea means lose stool in one day. 42. Right answer is B. Uh, 3 or more times. Next, 43. Who can provide kangaroo mother care? KMC. 43. Right answer is D. All of these. Next, 44. All are the true is dysentery except. 44. Right answer is D. Presence of worm in stools. Next, what is not true about severe pneumonia in a child age 11 months? 45. Right answer is B. Only X-ray can confirms. Next, PCV vaccine is given to protect against. 46. Right answer is C. Pneumonia. Next question, measles should not be used if has been more than blank hours after reconstitutions. 47. Right answer is D. 4 hours. Next, 48. Dose of vitamin A given along with measles vaccine is for a child of 16 months is. 48. Right answer is C. 2 lakh IU. International unit. 49. Which vaccines prevents congenital rubella syndromes? 49. Right answer is C. MR. Next, 50. All of the following are given instrumentally except. 50. Right answer is D. MR. Next, the minimum legal age limit to employment of children is. 51. Right answer is C. 14 years. Next, 52. First sign of puberty is girls is. 52. Right answer is A. Breast bud development. Next, 53. ICTC stand for. 53 का C. Integrated Counseling and Testing Center for HIV/AIDS. Next, the counseling tips for adolescents include all of the following except. 54. Right answer is C. Keep classmates informed. 55. Adolescent mothers are at high risk of 55. Right answer is D. All of these. Next 56. What is different amongst the choice given? 56. Right answer is C. Insulin. Next. What is true about the male sterilization? 57. Right answer is D. Known as vasectomy. Next 58. What is Antra? Right answer is A. An injectable contraceptives. Next 59. Women of reproductive age refer to all women aged 59. Right answer is B. 50 to 49 years. Next 60. What is not true about male contraceptions? Next 60. Right answer is C. Abstinence is not the method of contraception. Next 61. Syphilis is the complex systematic sexually transmitted if infection caused by 67 sorry 61 60. Right answer is D. Spiroche. Right answer is per 30. Next 62. What is the total duration of treatment of multi-drugs resistant tuberculosis? 62. Right answer is A. At least 24 to 27 months. 63. A combination of drug is used in the treatment of tuberculosis in order to. 63. Right answer is A. Reduce resistance of the pathogen to treatment. 64. Next, dots in refer to tuberculosis means. 64. Right answer is B. Directly observed treatment short course. Next, dengue is caused the bite of. 65. Translation B. Aedes aegypti mosquito. Next, all among the following are complications of hookworm infection except. 66. Right answer is D. Meningitis. Next question. Which among the following virus is responsible for most incidence of common cold? 67A. Right answer is rhinovirus. Next 68. Fever followed by power rashes and any cough causes conjunctivitis. 68. Right answer is B. Measles. Next, what is not true about the rabies? 69C. Nothing can be done post exposure. Next 60. Symptoms of typhoid include all except. 70. Right answer is D. Seizures. Next, what is meant by COPD? COPD. Right answer is 71C. Chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. 72. Stroke is caused by. 72A. Right answer is lack of blood supply to cerebral blood vessels. 73. Full form of the NPCDCS. 73. Right answer is A. National Program for Prevention and Control of Cancer, Diabetes, Cardiovascular Disease and Stroke. Next, what is the formula used to calculate BMI, body mass index? 74. Right answer is B. Weight in kgs by height in meter 2 into 2. Next 75. Stroke is defined as. 75B. Answer interruption of blood supply to brain leading to damage of brain tissue. Which of these is not modifiable risk factor? 76. Right answer is C. Overweight. Next, beta blocker and ACE inhibitor are prescribed for the management of. 77. Right answer is A. Hypertension. Next, iodine deficiency disorder shown spectrum of abnormalities except. 78. Right answer is D. Neck rigidity. Next 79. The daily requirement of iodine for normal human growth and development is. 79. C. Right answer is C. 150 to 200 micrograms. Next, benefits of weight. Benefit of weight reduction include 80. Right answer is D. All of these. Next, 81 National Leprosy Eradication Program was launched in 81. Right answer is A. 1983. Next, प्रधानमंत्री सुरक्षित मातृत्व अभियान PMSMA was launched in 82. Right answer is B. 2016. Next, full form of MAA program is. Right answer is C. Mother Absolute Affection. Next, first National AIDS Control Program first launched in 84. Right answer is A. 1992. 85. India aims to eliminate TB with zero death. 85. Right answer is D. 2025. 86. Target population covered under राष्ट्रीय किशोर स्वास्थ्य कार्यक्रम. 86. Right answer is B. 10 to 19 year age male and female of urban area. 87. The objective national deworming day is in during all preschool and school age children between the ages of. 87. Right answer is A. 1 to 19 years. 88. National Tobacco Control Program launched by Government of India in 88. Right answer is D. 2007 to 2008. 89. National Program for Health Care of Elderly cover beneficiaries above the age of. 89. Right answer is B. Above 60 years. Next, the three main components of National Mental Health Program NMHP are. Right answer is D. All of this. 91. 91. The Statue of Unity is situated in which state? 91. Right answer is B. Gujarat. Next, when the International Yoga Day celebrated? 92. Right answer is 21 June. 93. Ladakh is a part of which state? 93. Right answer is D. None of this. 94. The first Indian state of go wholly organic is. 94. Right answer is B. Sikkim. 95. Which district of Madhya Pradesh has height female male ratio as per the census 2011? D. Right answer is D. Balaghat. Next, Madhya Pradesh state was constituted on. 96. Right answer is D. 1st November 1956. Next, IS is ISRO headquarters is situated in. 97. Right answer is B. C. Harikota. Next, National Rural Health Mission has been launched in the country in 98. Right answer is C. 2005. 99. All India Institute of Ayurveda will work with which country for integrating Ayurveda principle with modern medicines? 99. Right answer is D. Australia. Next, India first private train. Right answer is A. Tejas. तो स्टूडेंट्स, हमारे 100 क्वेश्चन इस टाइप से कंप्लीट हुआ. हमने बहुत ही फास्ट तरीके से 100 क्वेश्चन को कंप्लीट किया. अगर आप चाहते हो कि मैं नेक्स्ट सीरीज़ लाऊं तो आप मेरे चैनल को लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें और शेयर. धन्यवाद.